Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 8:15 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include New Brunswick, Port Amboy, Somerset, Edison, East Brunswick, Carteret, Colonia, Society Hill, Woodbridge, South Plainfield, Highland Park, and Metuchen. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 11 and 13. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 7. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 125 and 134. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Here is the